Hi, I'm Kimberly Jenkins, certified trichologist here at the HeadSpa at Bauman Medical. And today I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes sneak peek into one of our many custom therapeutic scalp treatments. So why would you need a scalp makeover? Well, I can tell you, if you have dry scalp, if you have a super oily scalp, if you have dry hair or fine and limp hair, a scalp makeover is going to be perfect for you. So not only is it great for your scalp, but it's also great for your body. It's a great way to relax and just decompress. So when you enter into the Head and Med Spa, you're going to be greeted by me or either one of my team members. Then we're going to get you draped and have nice, soft, relaxing music, dim lights, and we're going to go into our opening ceremony. So what's the opening ceremony, you asked? Well, it's a blend of essential oils that you're going to breathe in, and I bet you can already smell it now. Can you smell the lavender and the mint? It's there to relax you and to get you really calm. After that, we're going to give you a nice, simple, gentle scalp massage. Then we're going to apply a serum on your scalp, rub it in, and then we're going to do scientific brushing. Why scientific brushing? Well, it's good to increase the blood flow and circulation of the scalp. Also, it helps us to prepare for all the other steps needed in the scalp treatment. So after the scientific brushing, we're going to apply a customized scalp mask all over your scalp and massage it in. Then we're going to steam you and allow it to sit on your scalp anywhere to 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your individualized scalp needs. So I guess you're like, Kim, what happens next? Well, after you're done steaming, we're going to turn you around in the shampoo bowl, and we're going to apply the specific shampoo and conditioner again for your individualized hair and scalp needs. So while you're shampooing, you have other options. Let's say you need a facial. We have an esthetician on staff for that. So you can get a relaxing facial, a face mask, or even a facial massage while you're steaming at the shampoo bowl. Think of it, the ambient lighting, the nice smells from the essential oils, the relaxing music, hand massage, you name it, we have it. So after your shampoo and conditioner, we'll apply a specific scalp serum on your scalp for your specific hair and scalp needs. After that, we'll use low light laser therapy to enhance your hair health.
My scalp makeover experience was extremely relaxing. I felt comfortable. The team was extremely knowledgeable. My favorite part was definitely the essential oils. It puts you in that Zen mindset. The massage itself was extremely relaxing. I think I might have taken a nap on accident. By the end of the entire scalp makeover, my scalp was tingling, feeling clean, feeling energized. I feel great, and I'm definitely going to be coming back on a regular basis. My hair feels phenomenal.
So I thank you guys for your time today, and I look forward to servicing you soon.